Hi, welcome. Now I'm going to show you how to bring MS Access database tables source data into a single pivot table. That means multiple tables from MS Access into a single pivot table and work on that. Okay. So how can I bring that one? Okay, go to insert. Okay, then pivot table. Okay, we don't have any data in the worksheet, so I'm going to external data source, choose connection. In the connection, browse for more, then I will go to my MS Access database table folder. Okay, this is my MS Access database. Okay, AdventureWorks. Okay, so I select the database .accdb. Okay, open. Okay, once I open, it shows that I have different okay, I have different tables in the MS Access database. Okay, so I enable the selection multiple tables, and now I'm going to select multiple tables. For the sample, I am going to select employee, human resource employee, and the employee pay history probably. Okay, so these two things I am selecting. Okay, now what I am going to do is that I am going to bring these two tables into a single pivot table and work on that. Okay, press OK. Okay, once I press OK, then what happens is that it shows that connection name AdventureWorks. Okay, fine. Choose where you want the pivot table reports to be placed. Okay, I want to place it on the existing worksheet. Okay, very fine. I just press on the first cell of the existing worksheet, then I just press OK. Okay, once I press OK, what is happening is that it is showing that two tables here in the pivot table field span. The pivot table report is here, so in this table you can select a set of fields from the first table, which is the human resource employee. Actually it is from the MS Access database table. Similarly for human resource employee pay history. Okay, now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to select employee ID from the first table, and okay, here sick leave hours probably, and the pay frequency. Okay, once I selected, what happens is that because these two are different tables, okay, it shows the relationship between the tables must be needed. Okay, the relationship between the tables need to be found. Okay, so you have two options here. One, you can create your own relationship. Okay, you can say the table 1 employee and pay history employee, the column name is employee ID, and similarly, okay, this is the foreign, this is the primary. Okay, then you have the pay history and employee ID, then create your own relationship. Okay, or you can manage relationship, or here you can have the auto detect, which is nothing but manage relationship. Okay, so what I am going to do, I am going to auto detect the relationship. See, one new relationship created. Okay, what is the relationship? Manage relationship. You can see the employee ID is employee ID. Okay, so press OK. Now you see it changed. Last time it is keep repeating, it changed. So this is the employee ID. It picks the sick leave hours from the first table, and same time pay frequency from the second table from the pay history. Okay, this way you can keep your multiple tables in your pivot table. This is a single pivot table. Okay, but you can keep multiple tables. Okay, these tables from MS Access, so you can anytime you can refresh the table, it will go and fetch the data from the MS Access database table which you provided in the earlier step. Okay, I hope this video is helpful to you. Even though it is a small short video, it will help you to join the tables together and work on a single pivot table. Okay, if you like my videos, please press the Alan Sam button which is shown on the screen itself. Okay, and you can subscribe to my channel, and you leave your comments and your suggestions so that it will help me to improve my videos. And God bless you.